Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Star Wars Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. It says it adds moisture and may help soothe cough and sinus congestion. No filter required. Okay. It's obviously by Disney because they got to cash in on everything. And we purchased this at Walmart for $59.95.
Nice instruction booklet.
Too darn much.
It's got a night light.
Oh, well then.
I'm gonna need that.
In case I'm afraid of the dark.
Nice little packing material.
Doesn't look like... Ooh, it looks just like our toaster.
Some more packing material in there.
That's it.
Yeah, that's all that's in there.
Ooh.
I'm not even going to show you guys first. I gotta look. This is awesome.
Put it on. Why is it all dirty?
Take it back.
Yeah, no kidding. Sheesh. I don't understand it. I don't understand how it works. It's shiny. Whoa! That's what Darth Vader looks like? Now you look like, help me out. The helmet guy.
Thing on. Alright.
So
let's go fill this up with water.
Okay, let's fill that up and we'll be right back. Can you see this box? Doesn't look like anything, right? Just looks like a box. But when we hold it up to the light, can you see that? There's a picture of Ryder. I just blinded you. And there's a family picture. Can you see that? Another picture of Ryder on his first day of school. And another, oh, I missed this one. And a baby Ryder. That's like one of the very first pictures I ever took of him. So Mick made this with the 3D printer. It is cool as crap. We're going to start selling them. Oh, look inside. Inside is really cool too. Oh, there's a picture of him and Santa. I missed that one. Look at that. Hopefully you can see it. It's hard to get a good... It's probably better to show it that way. Cool, huh? This came with a little brush to clean it with. It needs it already. He is dirty. So folks, if you're ever wondering what Darth Vader looked like without the helmet on, it's this. Okay, we're gonna go plug it in elsewhere. Whoa.
Alright, I guess I'll give my helmet back.
Darth helmet.
No fair. Okay, plugged in. There's this little knob on the back.
Okay.
There's minimum. It's starting to work already.
Really? I'll have to take your word for it.
You can see it from the side here.
I have to take your word for it. So what would you give this product out of 10?
I don't know, it looks really nice.
Let's put it up against the toaster.
There's the toaster.
Which one is which?
Now let me run down.
There's the toaster. We didn't ever unbox the toaster, did we?
Probably not.
I remember doing a video about it, but I don't think I ever posted it.
I think it looks really nice. $60 for a humidifier. It's a little bit more than other humidifiers are, but
Not that much more.
not too much more, so
Well, let's go get the R2D2 one.
let's go.
Ryder wanted the R2D2 one.
He did.
All right. We will see how it works. But
It's nice and quiet.
where's the nightlight?
I don't know.
It would be really cool if it was the eyes.
We'll have to read the instructions on that. Can you see it coming up?
No. Oh, I can, yeah, in the shadows. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, bye.